If you've been thinking about switching to HighLevel, or you've seen people talk about it online and you wonder, is it really worth it in 2026? Then this video is for you. So I've been using HighLevel for some months now to manage my clients, to create funnels, to send emails, automate follow-ups, and even build full websites. And today I'm going to be giving you my honest review. No hype, no jargon, just what actually works, what doesn't work, and whether this all-in-one CRM is still worth your money in 2026. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's dive right in. So first, let's clear the air. What exactly is HighLevel? Now, at its core, HighLevel is an all-in-one business management and marketing platform. It combines CRM and pipelines, email and SMS marketing, funnel and website builder, booking and scheduling, and reputation management, and even a cost platform. In other words, it's like taking ClickFunnels, MailChimp, Calendly, HubSpot, and Kajabi and rolling everything together into one dashboard. It is designed primarily for agencies, service businesses, entrepreneurs, those who want to automate, scale, and stop paying for 10 different tools every month. So how did I end up using HighLevel? Before now, I was running my business using 5 separate platforms. One for emails, another one for funnels, one for bookings, and I was spending nearly £200 a month on all these. It was a mess. Nothing talked to each other. Leads were slipping through the cracks, and I was wasting so much time jumping between tabs. Then I got to learn about HighLevel and I decided to give it a try. And within the first few weeks, I had connected my emails and SMS, I had set up automation for new leads, and I had even started collecting reviews automatically. That's when I realized that this platform isn't just another marketing tool, it's a business operating system. And here is what I love about HighLevel. Let's talk about the good stuffs, the features that actually makes HighLevel worth it. One is automation and workflows. Now, this is hands down my favorite feature. You can automate almost anything from a new lead to filling out a form to sending emails, text messages, reminders, and even moving them through your sales pipeline automatically. It's like hiring a full-time assistant who never goes to sleep and who never forgets to follow up. The second feature is the missed call text back feature. Now, this small feature alone pays for the subscription. Now, if someone calls you and you can't answer, HighLevel automatically send them a text like, hey, sorry, we missed your call. How can we help? Many clients have been closed from this automation. It is genius. Another feature is the conversations inbox. Now, all your DMs, your texts, your emails from Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and even Google appear in one chat window. No more logging in into 6 apps, just to answer different messages. Isn't that cool? The next feature I'll talk about is funnel and website and membership builder. So basically you can build funnels just like ClickFunnels but faster, and host courses like Kajabi all in the same place. It's just simple drag and drop. And the next feature is reputation and review management. So basically, HighLevel automatically requests reviews from happy clients after appointments. You can even reply to reviews directly inside the platform, and this is a huge time saver for you. So when people ask, is HighLevel worth it? These are the features that make me say yes, and I don't think twice. Now, let's be real. There is no platform that is perfect, and HighLevel has its rough edges too. So one is the learning curve. If you are brand new, the dashboard can feel a little overwhelming at first. There's a lot of power under the hood, so you need a few days to get used to it, or weeks. Basically, once you learn the basics, it clicks. The second is the design flexibility. Now, while you can make beautiful pages, it is not as picture or pixel perfect as some websites. So it may not be as perfect as you want, but for most businesses, it is more than enough. The third con on my list is the occasional bugs or updates. Now, because HighLevel keeps rolling out new features, sometimes updates can cause small glitches here and there. The good news is that they have a very active support team and community that fixes issues fast. So yes, there's a bit of learning curves here and there, but the long-term benefits are 100% worth it. So now, who should actually use HighLevel? HighLevel is perfect for marketing agencies managing multiple clients, for local businesses like salons, gyms, photography, real estate agents, coaches, course creators who want funnels and automations. It's also great for freelancers who want to look more professional. However, it is probably not ideal for people who just want to send one monthly newsletter, or businesses with no digital marketing at all, or those who refuse to learn new software and who are not open to it. HighLevel is for people who are ready to streamline, automate, and scale. All right, so my honest verdict is after using HighLevel for the past months, I can confidently say this. It's not perfect, but it is powerful. It replaced at least 5 tools for me, saved me money every month, and gave me back time to actually focus on my clients and my content. So if you are serious about building systems, growing your business, and finally having everything under one roof, then HighLevel is definitely worth it in 2026. And here's my bonus tip. If you sign up through my link below, you'll get a free 30-day trial plus a dedicated walkthrough with the HighLevel team. So click the description box below and also in the comment section to get started with your free 30-day trial of the HighLevel all-in-one CRM platform. I recommend that you watch this video next to learn how to build your sub account with HighLevel. See you there.